Is there really no regret medicine in this world? Why until it's too late to regret? Then you realize the seriousness of the problem. Every time I make a mistake, regret and guilt start swirling in your stomach. The appearance of guilt may be a proof that you are not an indifferent monster. He was a human being. But you always know it at some point. You crossed the line. This may not have been the case at the time, but over time, you will eventually realize, out of malice or arrogance, you are of course. Too many people at this moment will settle for the gray area between explanation and excuse. The result is, you become a prisoner of yourself. Every mistake becomes the prelude to the next evil, rather than bugs that need to be fixed. Ironically, people who make mistakes often point to themselves and say, "Look, this is where I need to improve." So every time you hurt someone, they can both forgive themselves by committing to change. But here's the dilemma. How to prove to an injured person that you will get better? How can you prove that you really care? Words seem feeble. After all, it is necessary to make the other party trust again. It takes a lot of patience. More means, let the other party bear the risk of being betrayed. Again, late one night, the sentence in the high school textbook I never saw before. Those who know can be traced. Now it turns into a thin needle and stabs into your heart. You finally understand. Past mistakes may not be redeemable, but a beautiful tomorrow still exists intact. Sometimes we make mistakes just to taste the pain. But whatever the original intention, the only thing we can do is to realize there may be no regret medicine in this world. There is only the future, the determination to change the past.